there! In this video I'll be explaining you how to install Clonable on your WordPress or WooCommerce website. Once you're signed into Clonable, you can immediately start by entering the current URL of your website. This will be the source that Clonable is going to translate for you. Once you press Go, Clonable will automatically recognize your website as a WordPress or WooCommerce website. If that's not the case, then please watch our video on the general installation process of Clonable. If the settings are correct, we can continue and choose a language and location to which we will be translating. In our case, we will translate to German on example.com/de. Once the overview has been confirmed as well, you can verify site ownership by email, adding an HTML element to your website, or adding a TXT record to your DNS settings. Once this step is taken, Clonable will automatically verify site ownership and generate your translation preview. In order to access it at your subfolder, we need to finish its setup. You will see a unique API key that you can copy. Once copied, you can sign in to your own WordPress environment. There, we'll head to the plugins and search for Clonable. Once the plugin is installed and activated, we can sign in using the API key we copied. After pressing Sync with Clonable, the translations will be visible on the subfolder. In the plugin, you can also set language tags and configure the language switcher, both elevating the accessibility of your multilingual website.